Hey friends, let's jump straight in, and with this song we're going to capo on the first fret. So let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just going to start on this A minor, but we're just going to play the root note first, so the open A string. Then go to A minor over C, so it's just the A minor chord, and we're going to add the third fret on the A string and do it down. Back to the A minor, up, up, down, up. Then go to an A minor 7, down, down, and then the next down we're going to hammer back on to the second fret on the G string. And then just down, up. And we do that 4 times, so slowly. And that's our intro there. So we're just starting on the A minor, and we're going to do it for a bar. We're going to do the root note. It doesn't matter if you play, say, 2 strings under the root note as well. So root note, down, up, up, up. And then we do that again. Then do the same on the F7 chord. Back to the A minor, the same again. Then go to a D7, same again. Then go to the A minor, and we're just doing it for half a bar, so we're just doing the pattern once. Root, down, up, up, up. To G, the same, root, down, up, up, up. To D over F sharp, root, down, up, up, up. F sharp 7 again, just half a bar, same pattern again. Then we're going to an E7, and we're going to do a down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And they're all the parts to the verse there. So for our little break, we're just going to play the A minor down, the C down, the D down, then go back to C, go up, to D, down, back to C, up. And we do that 2 times. And again. Now if that feels like it's a bit quick for you, so that D to C is a really quick change, you can just play the bass notes or the root notes there, so we can play the open A, 3rd fret on the A, open D, 3rd fret on the A, open D, 3rd fret on the A. And we're calling that our little break there. So we're just starting on the C, and we're going to do a down, 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 up. Half a bar there, then G, do the same. Down, 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 up. To F, the same. Down, 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 up. Back to the C, same again. Down, 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 up. Then we're going to the G, and we're doing a full bar here, and our strumming pattern there is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then to G7, and we do the same. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Back to the C, same as the start. Down, 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 up. To G, the same. F, the same. C, the same. To G for a bar, so we're down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then just go to an E7, strum it once and stop. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and that's all the same. Back to our break again, our A minor, C, D, C, D, C. Do that 2 times. Then we go back to the verse again, and that's the first instrumental. Then back to the break again. Then we go to the verse again, and that's our second instrumental. Then back to the break again. After that we're going back to our chorus, exactly the same as our previous chorus. Back to our verse again, then back to the break again. After that we don't play for 12 bars. Then we have the break, and this time we're going to do it 3 times instead of 2 times. So A minor, C, D, C, D, C. Do that 3 times. And then to finish we just have A minor, then do an A minor 7 add 13. So we're just doing an A minor 7, and we're going to add the 2nd fret on the E string there, and that's our A minor 7 add 13. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the Letter Guitar Lesson by Joe Cocker. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.